friends, again welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about one of the important terms from the environmental microbiology, that is the pyramid of energy. In the previous lecture we are already discussing about what are the ecological pyramid. In 1927, Charles Elton firstly put forward the concept of the pyramid, that is the ecological pyramid. So due to that, these are also known as the Eltonian pyramid. Majorly these pyramids, these are the representation of the food chain. Means within the ecosystem there are the food chains, these are present, and majorly these pyramids, these are the graphical representation of interrelationship in between the organism present within the food chain. It is the ecological pyramid. Now majorly in the previous lecture, as we are already discussed, that majorly there are the three different types of the ecological pyramid, that is the pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass and the pyramid of energy. So today we are focusing on the pyramid of energy. That means here we are considering about the generation of energy or the transfer of energy. Instead of generation we can say that it is the transfer of energy at each trophic level. Each trophic level. Now majorly as we say that it is a graphical representation, in this way there is the pyramid, it is present, that is the ecological pyramid. At the base of this ecological pyramid, in most of the cases, there is the presence of the producers. Then at the second layer, within the ecological pyramid, there is the presence of the primary consumer, that is the herbivores, which are totally depending upon these green plants or the producer. Then the secondary consumers, and then the tertiary consumers. So whenever we are arranging the organisms which are present within the food chain, in this way this graphical representation, it has a shape like that of a pyramid. Due to that we call it as an ecological pyramid. So within this pyramid of energy we are instead of concentrate on the number of organisms at each trophic level or the biomass of organism at each trophic level, here we are concentrate on how much amount of the energy it is transferred from one trophic level to the next trophic level, and through that we are constructing this pyramid of energy. Now majorly this pyramid of energy, it must be present within the upright form, that is in this form. Only the upright form energy it is transferred in this way. Only the one directional transfer of energy it is observed, and it is the basic law of thermodynamics. Now again within this, preferentially whenever we know that the trophic level, it is the group of organisms which are having the same type of the feeding mechanism. These are called as these are the group of organisms which are having the same feeding mechanism. These are present at the specific trophic level, and within this food chains majorly these are the trophic level of the organism, that is the producer, means all of these green plants or the other animals which are having the ability to synthesize the food material. So preferentially within that the green plants, these are present. Then again within the second, all of the plants, all of the animals which are depending upon this green plant or they are getting their food from this green plant, these are the herbivores. Then in the third trophic level, again there is the presence of the secondary consumers which are depending upon these herbivores and the tertiary consumers. Now it is depending upon the type of the food chain, that is how many layers these are present within this ecological pyramid. Some of these may be contain only the three different types of the trophic level. Within that 4 or maybe 5 trophic levels, they may be present within the ecological pyramid. Now again one of the important thing about this pyramid of energy, it must be present within the upright form. Another way, that means majorly the organisms which are present at the basic trophic level or the first trophic level, they contains the highest amount of energy. And majorly there is the minimum amount of the energy, it is transferred to the organisms which are present at the highest trophic level. Minimum amount of energy means, for example, consider if the producers, they are producing the energy, that is the 1000 kilocalorie. then this 1000 kilocalorie, whenever these herbivores they are eat these plants for getting the energy. Now all of this 100 kilocalorie, it cannot be transferred within the second trophic level. We know that because whenever the energy it is transferred from the one form to the another form, or from one trophic level to the another trophic level, majorly there is the loss of energy in the form of heat. Loss of energy, it is occur in the form of heat, in the form of heat. So majorly only the 10% of energy it is transferred to the next trophic level, only 10% of energy. Only the 10% of energy it is transferred to the next trophic level. Okay, so here at the primary consumer there is the only presence of 100 kilocalorie. Whenever from primary consumer the energy it is get transferred, here it is the 10 kilocalorie, and to the uppermost layer that is only the 1 kilocalorie. Means the organism present at the highest trophic level they are having very much low amount of energy. And whenever we are construct the pyramid of energy for any type of the food chain, either it is a desert food chain, either it is a tree food chain, either it is a grassland ecosystem, or either it is a aquatic ecosystem, in within each of these, whenever we are concentrate on the construction of a pyramid, that is the pyramid of energy for any of this ecosystem, at that time majorly it must be present within the upright form. It must be present within the upright form, and the highest amount of energy it is present at the first trophic level, and the lowest amount of energy it is present at the highest trophic level. So here it is the information about the pyramid of energy. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.